Now some final finishing touches. You may like your theme and your theme image and the colors and everything like that, but maybe you want to start off with a bang with another image. So we can click on background and click on choose. If there's an image in here that you didn't use that you really like, maybe that's going to be good for the title slide. So maybe these steps. Since you kind of walk up steps, and we're talking about rock walk and they're rock steps, maybe this is the way to go. Again, you may need to change the color of your words if they don't work with your image, but that's not too bad. But maybe I'll make it a bit brighter. That kind of fits in with the color of the rock. Our names are okay, but maybe even white would be better. There we go. I think that looks a little bit nicer for our title slide. If you find that your title still doesn't really work with your image background and you really want an image background, there's a trick we can do that acts like a drop shadow to make it easier to see. So I'm going to start by selecting my title and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Command and C. You could also go up to the edit menu and choose copy. And now I'm going to change the color of this one to be black or a dark gray. So here's our text color. I'm going to make it a pretty dark gray, maybe a bit darker than that. There we go. Now I'm going to paste the copy that I have, so Command V, and that's still the original color. And I'll just use the arrow keys and just kind of nudge it up. Goes right on top. We'll have to move it ever so slightly, and you can see what I'm kind of getting at here. But with our alignment tools, it makes it hard to get it. That's not too bad. And we can see that that makes it a lot easier to read the title. And we could even do the same kind of thing with our subtitle, especially because it's white. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to try another trick. I'll make this bold so that the letters are a bit bigger. Switch this back to the dark color. Paste my copy. And there, we're right in the middle. So it's not super great because it sort of stretches a little bit more on the sides than it does in the middle with that bolding. And different fonts may work better than that, but it's kind of an interesting effect. Kind of looks like the white font is kind of peeling up at the ends. So two tricks that you can employ if you wish for your words on top of images. You could do the same thing for your introduction slide if you wanted. Put an image as the background, and same thing with your conclusion if you wished, if you've got enough images. You can reuse images as well. That's quite all right. Really, it's up to you and your partner. So also go through each slide and look for any spelling mistakes. You will see the red squiggly line if you've got something spelled incorrectly. So if you see a red squiggly line, you can right click on the word and the first choice might be okay. If you've spelt it really badly, you may need to raise your hand and get some help from an adult, but try and get rid of any red squiggly lines. Just go one slide at a time, looking for any spelling mistakes.